Children, today I am going to teach you chapter 2nd of moral science, Save Water. Before we start, I would like to tell you about Save Water. Children, water is very precious and essential for life. We must try to save water not only for us but also for all living beings on this planet. Water is the most precious element on the earth and it need to be saved at all cost. Without water there would be no life on the earth as we know it. Human beings use water for drinking, bathing, washing, in agriculture, industries and factories. Most of the water need to be treated before use as it is polluted by various man-made activities. This is all about the water. Let us read the story of a disciple who realized his mistake and understood the importance of conserving natural resources. Water is precious. A long time ago, there lived a teacher called Sifu, Master Sifu, in a monastery in China. He was a wise and knowledgeable teacher. He was known to have understood the nature and its surrounding very well. His disciple used to call him Master Sifu. One day, Master Sifu went out to take bath. As there were no tap, he was bathing out in an open area. He called out one of his disciples and said, "Pour some cold water into my tub. The water in the tub is too hot. The disciple quickly a bucket of cold water and began to pour into the tub. "Please don't pour any more cold water. Thank you." Who said? Master Sifu said. The disciple threw the remaining cold water on the ground. When Master Sifu saw the disciple throwing the water, he was very angry. "What are you doing?" he shouted angrily at his disciple. The disciple did not know what wrong he had done. He was confused and looked up at the Master Sifu. "Why did you throw the remaining water on the ground? You could have thrown the remaining water, or you could have thrown it into a flower bed. Don't you know that you must not waste even a drop of water?" he said angrily. The disciple understood what Master Sifu meant. From that day onward, he never wasted water. Moral of the story is water conservation is a more important than food for us. Student, where did the Master Sifu live? Master Sifu live in monastery in China. Master Sifu was a wise and knowledgeable teacher, and the water in the tub is too hot. Fast meaning broad, confused, unclear. Children, read the chapter and story carefully. In exam, question will come in between the chapter. Learn question answer also. Thank you and have a nice day.